abanye abogobela banokufihla yabona banokufihla because abanye bayakwazi ukuthi banokuthwasisa abanye phela lana manje isiphithiphithi ezenzakala kuthwasisa uthwasisa noma ungathwasanga uvuke nje uzibona ukuthi sewunemathwasana bona abanye bathi sithwasa emaphupheni bathi bona bathwasa emaphupheni that it's a forbidden and abomination fear kwa I have never ever
self-initiate.
Oh, iphupho is a vision. It is showing you ukuthi uma uvuka ekseni yenza into enje. Or expect into enje.
Thokozani, I am Paul Wabadimu, the advocate of Ilozi, and I welcome you to Thokoza Gogo podcast. This is episode 5, and we are growing each and every week, one Sunday at a time. Well, today is a very exciting episode, and I know you've been looking forward to this because we've been, taking a break a bit, but we are back and we are rolling. Today, I am joined by an amazing, fun, outgoing person who's going to be talking to us. But before we get into that, I just wanted us to also remember to also like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, and most of all, share this video. It says,
Thokoza Gogo.
Ninjani.
Siyaphila.
I am so excited to talk to you today.
Thank you.
Sizolimitha. Lami lesilinithe khona.
Kunjalo Khehla.
Gogo Tabula.
Thokoza Khehla.
Abantu ababukele ekhaya ngicela ubacele ngawe ukuthi ubuyaphi, ubani, kwenzakalani.
Okay. Thokozani, mkhulu Tabula amanzi lona yinsizwa yaka Silinda the Queen D. Thokozani Makhehla namhlanje ngilana kugogo. Ngijabule kakhulu Khehla la.
Jabule mina.
I'm so happy.
Jabule mina.
Thank you. Mina ke namhlanje la ngikhona njengomntwana eDlozi ngomntwana emoya ngomntwana esithunywa. Ngizile njengenjabulo Khehla. Nabantu mabazongibona bangibheka ngumuntu othanda amahlaya. Ngiyahleka. Ngemnandi kodwa uma nje umuntu akunyathela umsila uyabona Khehla lami kufika ukuthi umuntu akutshintshe umoya. Mina bangitshintshile. Bangitshintshile Khehla bangitshintsha abathakathi ngitshintshe ngabathakathi.
Hayi.
So nginokubona ukuthi uma unenhliziyo enhle yiyo kubuyalisayo. Inhliziyo enhle yabulalisa embe ayibulalisa Khehla uphila uzothi toti ntoti. Thokoza Khehla la.
Kodwa mkhulu mina ngiyabelieve ukuthi abantu abanenhliziyo enhle majority laba bathi bona bakhohlakele baneyinhliziyo ezinhle. Basuke bavala lo buhle babo. But before singena enhlizweni yakho queen Sibuyisele emuva kancane uthwase kuphi ekhaya?
Oh okay mina ekhaya kuse Mpumalanga eBushbuckridge ku village encane ebizwa ukuthi kuseSamanset.
Okay.
Ila ngibuya khona mina Khehla. So ukuthwasa kami ngithwasele endaweni ebizwa ukuthi kuseMkhuhlu.
Alright.
Kuduzana khona lapha ekhaya.
Alright.
Thokoza Khehla.
Okay. And then uthwase nini ku?
It was 2010.
Whoa.
Thokoza.
You have been at this.
Yeah, I was.
Dala we pusha lengono vibe.
Dala Khehla lami.
And then outside of umsebenzi wakho abantu abadala khona okunye mhlawumbe okwenzayo imisebenzi enye or just nje umsebenzi wakho impilo yakho kusedlozini?
Impilo yami sedlozini Khehla.
Oh, Thokozani.
Ngisebenza nje ngedlozi Khehla.
Thokozani. Gogo une following abantu bayakuthanda bayakulandela and most in particular bayakulandelela imisebenzi yakho oyenzayo.
Thokoza.
But isangoma nesangoma sinesikhwama saso.
Thokoza Khehla.
So mina ngifuna ukwazi ke ukuthi wena ebizweni lakho kakhulukazi abantu osebenza ngabo abantu abanjani?
Abantu engisebenza ngabo kakhulu abantu nje bezayo bezofuna inhlanhlubo zemathambo and also nebantu abezayo bazofuna madoda ahlupha bazofuna ama love bag and also abafuna nokukhuphulisa inhlanhla zabo nokuthwasisa nginane emathwaza. Thokoza Khehla.
And then uyathwasisa nokuthwasisa.
Thokoza.
Ziyabuya Mosi.
Ziyabuya mntasekhaya, ziyabuya gogo.
Ziyabuya.
Zilimazi etsheni.
ziyalima
Impela.
kahle umsebenzi wedlozi uyademanda kakhulu and then wena ibalance uyithola kuphi ukubalansisa ukuba sendumbeni nokuthi uphume endumbeni ukushaye umoya ube yitshitshi
ngiyasithola isikhathi mo special ngema weekend
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday endumbeni angeni ke lapho ke and also nemathwasa wami nginokubatshela ukuthi you see this time like ngema weekend ngicela nje nilungise ngoba most of them abantu abafunda ikolo bayasebenza yabona so nginokubatshela ukuthi ngeweekend asihlale nasenzeni lutho just nani nilungisa into zeni so nami lesikhathi nami ngithola isikhathi sokuzivoca to go outside and having fun you see so isikhathi lesi engisitholayo mo special Saturday and Sunday
Ay gogo into engifuna sikhulume ngayo namhlanje before sizojula kule ama rituals
Thokoza
bengifuna ukuthola umbono wakho ukuthi ubungoma ngoba uthathe 2010 izinto eziningi sezenzakele kuningi okushintshile abantu bashintshile indlela yokwenza ishintshile wena as ugogo uDabula kuthini kuwo umuvuka ekseni obona konke lokho kwenzakalayo ngokomoya
since ngithwasile khehla lami ziningi izinto ezitshintshile a lot mina mangizothwasa intanga zami kanjena bezingazeka uyabona zingazekamukela isikhathi sedlozi bengithi ngibhekana nabantu abadala bogogo yini or ukuthi vele nami bengisasemncane wabona manje sesitshintshile sefashionini sisefashionini enye enzima icompetition kahle siku competition ebungomeni emntase ekhaya I don't wanna lie to you so into engizibonayo uyabona gogo kunesimanga esenzakalayo edlozini I don't know ukuthi why kwenzeka kanjena umuntu noma ngathwasanga uyakwata ukugqoka imvunulo mo specially engikhuphukile ngiza ngapha bondo bathi indonga ziyaduma
eGoli
nginokuhamba amaphehla amaningi I'm not going to point names ngisho amagama and point people uthi uhleli nje umuntu akathwasanga ugqoka imvunulo uyagida kwenzakalani uyagida sewulithola phi idlozi athi mina ngilithola nginadlozi kodwa ngiyagida uyahlahluba umuntu kanjani
hayi gogo
and then uma gida lapho ke ayenza into zakhe bayakhipha abantu imali angisho bajabulela lethi and ukugida ungidlula wena othwasile umuntu asekhaya uyayivunula kugida bona apha fike naphezulu
gibela iphahla
tshela wena so into izimanga la ngoba
imvunulo zibuyapi lezi
bayaboleka
ezangomeni
bayaboleka umuntu asekhaya uzu ube nesimanga and uzibuza ukuthi idlozi akusinto yokudlala ngalo idlozi akusinto yokudlala ngalo ngoba uzoboleka imvunulo into zaka zayenza uyenza into ezenzakalayo which is akusinto ezenzakalayo more especially let's take about umndawe uthi unedlozi uyozama ukuhamba ufemba abantu whatsoever why bangadlali ngento le bayakwazi ukuthi akudlalelwa lapha if you are going to fake umndawe let's take ufake ukufemba uwoma impumulo to show ukuthi this thing akusinto okudlala ngayo you understand ungathi uzama ukufemba which is akusinto efunakalayo uyawoma impumulo then uyafa why bangazami lokho bazama lokho kuzokuthi into nje edlala ngayo that's why ngisho ukuthi ubungoma mntasekhaya bufile and ekufuna thina esikwazi ukuthi sihlupheke kanjani emaphehlweni sisukume and then sibone ukuthi siyenza kanjani ngoba ibhlungu
yo yazi gogo lento ekhulumile yasemigidini iyangithusa mina and imigidi vele angihambi most particularly because nami sengisakhule edlozini ngangaba nama experiences wangitshela ukuthi emgidini akusekho right so kuningi so njengoba uthwasisa mgogo into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi ama organizations lawa khona a protector amathwasa izangoma ayafikelela kini mhlambe a check ukuthi nihambisa izinto ngendlela o mhlambe uwe nje ufuna ukuzibone wena ukuthi uphuma kanjani and then amathwasa akho uyawa register leyo admin leyo eyenzakalayo
yeah as a member of THO nginokuhlangana sometimes uma kunomhlangano ukuthi ukufundiswane yini most of the time abantwana bami abazoqeda ukuthwasa ngiyabathatha abahambi baye emakhaya banganaso certificate because ngifuna bayofunda ukuthi kusasa noma ngeke bakwazi ukulandelela umthetho weshoba and umthetho weshoba siyinyanga eziningi uma kugqwele nje izangoma eziningi sakwazi ukuthi sifundise bakwazi ukuthatha lapho nalapho kungasiyimi kuphela bakwazi ukuthi lento engibatshelayo bengasimanga engibatshele ephehlweni babe nokuthemba so ngiyasho ukuthi sometimes ama-member ka-THO ayeza
Okay.
laba enginabo esikhundleni yabona
Okay.
ukuthi ngumuntu olandelela kakhulu bayeza bazobona
kuneyikhundla wena gogo.
yeah kuneyikhundla like
Okay.
isikhundla
Like
I don't know how to pronounce it
yeah,
because,
positions mhlambe.
me-
Okay,
me-
wena sakhe isikhundla yini?
like ngumuntu like isikhundla ngumuntu o special othanda ukuthi ngimele indaba yabona makusho let's take maybe kune problem eyenzekile
Okay.
endaweni ethize
Okay.
kunokulwa bayalo
Oh.
whatsoever so
Ngiyakuzwa.
nginokuhamba nabo labadala kuyoqazulula leyo dwaba
Ngiyakuzwa.
so banokuza nakimi sometimes uma ngithi bogogo ngicela nizongibonisa ithwasana if nginenkinga uyabona nethwasa because amathwasa amancane ezinye izinto abazi-understand so bayeza bazobheka esinye isikhathi
So bayasebenza bona but only if you remember. So fuze ujoin ke ku-THO because ngoba wena ujoinile bayakwazi ukuthi banambele but ngiyayizwa iperspective yakho because wena uphakathi but
Yes.
kule episode esidlule kuya I think bengithinta into enesifana njengalezo ukuthi I wish bebangabandlululi kuphela ukuthi mhlawumbe for abantu abaregisterile kube ukuthi they go far for abantu bedlozi ngoba kunzima la ngaphandle abantu bathathelwe imali abantu bayahlukunyezwa emaphehleni
too much.
abantu nje kunzima gogo
Nkosi
sikhala
yami.
siyaphambili sikhala siyaphambili
into ezenzekalayo
hey
so mara gogo eze ngizokuphendula I like I don't know because abanye abogobela banokufihla yabona banokufihla because abanye bayakwazi ukuthi banokuthwasisa abanye phela lana manje isiphithiphithi ezenzakala kuthwasiswa uthwasisa noma ungathwasanga uvuke nje uzibona ukuthi sewunemathwasana yilento engijulisa kakhulu engikwatisa kakhulu ngiyavova baningi engibaziyo abangathwasanga
Bithiza, gogo.
the a lot engibaziyo bangathwasanga mara namhlanje bayathwasisa namhlanje bayathwasisa bayavuka namhlanje uma bavuka ebungomeni babo bahamba baye Father Day bazolanza intwaso bafike bathwasisa so manje uma ufika eFather Day bayenza ibhizinisi and eFather Day abazi ukuthi wena
Awusonisa
ngoma angisho wavelile nemabhidi nobuhlalo wavelile
Akubutawa
bafike lapha
kutawa.
uphinzwe le ntwaso uyithenge ngebhaketi ligqwala ibhaketi kangaka kuze ukuthi uzothwasisa and lwangathwasanga nemathwasana ayimiliyoni because angazi ukuthi udla unoma emlandi umatshela abantu ukuthi mina ngiyathwasisa vele abantu bavele bagijime ngoba bathembisa
Gogo.
well it's a nonsense
uzobosha hayibo
ngikhuluma
yazi lento ekhuluma ibhlungu because ukufakwa kamabhayi nobuhlali bekuyinto ehloniphekile kodwa manje noma ubani manje gogo angitshelela umuntu makathwasisa enganalo idlozi umphakathi uyathula uyabheka vele kuyavunyelwa
abazi they don't know my darling they don't know bazi kanjani phela uma sowubuye uhabelile ugqokile yonke into kunabanye bathi sithwasa emaphupheni bathi bona bayathwasa emaphupheni that it's a forbidden and abomination fear kwa I have never ever
self-initiate.
Oh
hayi
hey uke wathwasa ephupheni
Especially
Iphupho-
ubungoma.
iphupho is a vision it is showing you ukuthi uma uvuka ekseni yenza into enje
Thokoza.
or expect into enje ekumele uyithandazise ukuze ukuthi ingayenzeki or uyithandazise ukuthi yenzeke ayaguide ukuthi kumele uthwase thola ugobela azokuguide akunikeza izihlahla ukwazi ukuthi uyiphuze uyiphalaza uzoyiphalaza emaphupheni iyandize yakhe imbuzi
gogo yazi nami question nami ihlezi iba khona gogo ukuthi umuntu makathi ngithwasisile mina mhlawumbe umuntu fuza ajule acacise ukuthi yebo siyathwasa kodwa kunokuthwasa okubuye kungenelelwe idlozi uma usuphothulile angithi
injalo
and then but akekho umuntu ozithwasisayo angeke uyithathe lembuzi uyiphuze wena
leyo kahle kahle
uyangiunderstand futhi ngizokhuluma nje ezangomeni akekho isangoma esithwase
Thokoza,
ngephupho
Khehla,
futhi
thokoza.
uhamba uyodla
Kunjalo,
intwaso
gogo.
so laba abathi ngivuke ngalala ngathola isikhwama bese yibo laba abasicolayo and then eFaraday gogo mawuya laphana mhlawumbe uyazi akunakuthi uyisangoma usisangoma I think lezo indawo lezo nazo fuze mhlawumbe into esifana nabo THO kufinyelela ukuthi umuntu makathenga makaproduce ukuthi ngiyisangoma
yeah gogo it is very difficult to do that money talk now certificate saka THO or any kind of organization ungasithola nase tax rank
Hayibo.
You understand?
Eish.
Ungasithola ungakhipha imali manje basithengise nangema back door usithole. So nabo bazodideka because bayenza imali bakubusiness.
Kokucabanga ukuthi abantu balethwa ebungomeni or noma bangena ebungomeni particularly laba abacola abantu because of indlala. Nokungabi nemisebenzi. Is this the quicker option ukuthi singakwazi ukufake sikwazi ukuthatha imali zabantu noma balethwa ebungomeni ngoba bangenwe yizilwane ezenza ukuthi mabadlale ngabantu?
It's different. It's different. Ngisho gogo ngithi abanye indlala. Abantu abaningi phela eSouth Africa imisebenzi kunzima ukuthola. So abanye kugcina kubalide ukuthi babe ama scam. So another thing abanye banezilwane banezibhoke ezibasebenzisa izibagogodlelayo ezenza into wrong bagcine bayenze lokho and kuba nzima ngoba ekugcineni kuzonikeza wena inkinga enkulu kakhulu kabi. Kuzoba inkinga ngoba inyembezi zabantu let's take abantu beza nemali enkulu abanye bathatha nemali ukugcina Nkosi yami bethembele wena bangadla abanye endlini ngokuthi bafuna isizo uqede lapho ke well you know inside of your heart that what I'm doing is totally wrong. Ngidla imali kungcono uthi ubasiza abantu into zenzeka then you can continue because sinemagedla ke sinemagedla sinabantu abasebenza ngezithunywa which is basebenzisa nemithi bangathwasa shothi banawo amandla because amandla vele sizalwa sinawo sizalwa sinawo so you cannot just wake up and decide ukuthi mina ngifuna ukusiza abantu. It is impossible. It's impossible.
Ubizo lento
ubizo we are different darling. We are different ingilozi thina.
Yeah. Enzima lendlela kodwa hey kuningi okwenzakalayo.
Thokoza ko.
Gogo wena ulisana nobumnyama ulisela futhi abantu ukuthi mabayivikele.
Thokoza.
Ngiyabona laphana ama ritual wakho abantu bayaphila. Ufika kanjani kuma ritual because ngiyakuzwa uthintile masaqala ukuthi kube nomuntu owahlukumeza awuzwani wena nobuthakathi. Uma nje ungasifaka nje lapho sizokwazi ukuthinta ke sibhekane nama ritual ukuthi abantu bathola kanjani ukuphila.
About ama ritual wami most of the time ama ritual wami benginokuwaphupha you see.
Okay.
Benginokuwaphupha ukuthi ngiyenze into ethize nathize enye ngahlala kanje uma ngihleli ngicabanga ukuthi if I do this and this and then ngihamba ngendumbeni esigodlweni to check and confirm ukuthi if I give people into efana le ange sometimes isithunyazi sisebenza kanjani gogo ngigobela I'm not gonna tell. So uma ngichitha ilokwazana amathamba ngitshela ukuthi amathamba okay you can give people something like this ngibona amathamba ukuthi akayelisanami then ngiyakwazi ukuyenzani ukuyirelease ke leyo ritual.
Okay.
So most of my ritual wami okulwa because abathakathi ngike ngagilwa nami ngagilwa ngilokula ngathi idlozi ngasekazi lutho phela ngathi idlozi yeni ngilokufuna ukufa ngihamba ezibhedlele ngihamba bayongenza ama operation ngihamba phansi phezulu kanti umuntu ongihlele emqolo. So yikho each and every day mina mangivuka ngicabanga abathakathi ngiyabazonda angifuna ukubabona banemuhobholo.
Yeah.
I don't know ukuthi why umuntu mahleli angathakathi labantu laba abasebenza angathakathi ibank imnikeza imali not abantu.
Ushaye khona esikhonkosini ngoba why ulwa nathi lobuthakathi bakho makubenzela imali.
Wenzela imali Nkosi yami hle ngabe ngiyabaza ubuthakathi mina ngabe sengine ngiyimillionaire. Ngabe ngiyimillionaire imali igqwala indlo but I don't know ubuthakathi kubi because nasemakhaya la ngiphuma khona ebush.
Ziyakhala.
Egogo ebush ziyabuya. Ebush noma ngabe uhleli kanjena ungayenza nje into wrong, wenza into wrong uzobona ngelightning. Siyithola futhi empeshenini kunalaba hola khona igrant thina asifuni.
Hayi goga ena. Empeshenini?
Ngiyakutshela ke. 5 rand uza ne5 rand uthenge lightning bakunikeza ubhala igama ushise lelo phepha. Yavutha izulu. Ubhala nje phansi kuphephe lakho banaka bani then uthathe lo muthi abakunikeza wona ufake ziyomnemba ngeke nje kuze kuqede nelanga futhi day ilanga futhi likhulu kakhulu futhi.
Gogo labantu abathengisa le lightning izangoma noma inyanga nabo.
I don't know. Maybe amagedla or yini as long as into isebenza.
Mhloba yayenza imali ne?
Too much because so yi competition kungasi lightning ukuphela but nokwazana because of kune strong sangomas angiyibet mouth indawo yami but kunama strong sangomas amakhulu kakhulu yebo into ezinhle sikhona nasebush too much zikhona into ezinhle kunezangoma ezinhle kakhulu which is I believe on them abantu sabakhulile sifunda into eziningi ezinhle because everywhere zikhona more special nezangoma ezingekho right. So but into ngisho ukuthi bazi kakhulu into ezilimazayo bazazi into ezilimazayo. That's why nami sometimes I run away ukuthi let me just go and stay in eJozi ngingaphikizani nomuntu because ngomntwana omncane bakhona bangidlulayo ulwazi sebakhulile kakhulu.
Hey gogo ngiyawathanda amazwi akho yazi. Kulama ritual lawa gogo owakhiphayo njengoba usho ukuthi usukulandela umoya. Ngiyabona in most cases izinto umuntu angasuka sisebenzise endlini, right? Noba ubani angawayenza lama ritual as long when you feel ukuthi khona into engekho right ngami ngawayenza lama ritual.
Yeah.
So ngifuna ukubuza ke ngalawa gogo whereby umuntu uyamdlisa umuntu wesilisa. Angisumuntu ke mina obelievayo esidlisweni kakhulu but ngibonile futhi nakuma post wakho nabantu abakhomentayo yenzeka izinto
kunjalo
gogo awungichazele isidliso uma usifaka emntwini inhloso kusuke kwenzakalani between loyo muntu loyo and wena as umuntu osebenza ngabantu kulungile yini ukuthi lo muntu angaphila ngesidliso kuyalasta lo mshado noma leyo relationship until nini kwenzakalani lapho?
Mina ngasho ukuthi kulungile ukusebenzisa isidliso. Phela hey amadoda akafuni ukondla abantwana. So inye into efuna ukuthi sishade, sifuna ukushada.
Iyafuneka le mshado.
Sifuna ukushada. So imindeni eminingi iyabhidlikela kwenzeka lapho nalapho yini. So uma usebenzisa isidliso ubamba umuntu wakho and to avoid ukuhambulala nemadoda amaningi because uzokushiya lo uzothola omunye akushiye lo uthole omunye so uma uloku udlisa loyo muntu uyenzela ukuthi ube forever wena.
Okay.
Forever nishade kube right. Izidliso
So aqabani lapha edlozini mhlawumbe akubi nenkinga ukuthi wena udlisa ingane yami mhlawumbe umuntu ambe kufuza ashade nophindi but ngoba mina sengimthe ha sekuvalekile sekabhekane nami akubi inkinga gogo.
Hey gogo ngathi seziyajula manje. So
kuyahluka. Okay.
Kunokuthi maybe let's say kudlise isoulmate yakho idloza ngeke lize libe nenkinga because umuntu as long as kuyahluka gogo. Kuhlukile kakhulu futhi sometimes amadlozi omunye umuntu akafuni ukuthi umuntu esebenzisa umuthi adle umuthi so it's different. Ngaba right ekuqaleni but ekugcineni ligcine idlozi lokulwisa. So it's better kulesangoma ozolanda kuso imuthi uqale mebone consultation to find out ukuthi impumele yakusasa toba yini.
Soba yini.
Yeah.
Okay. And then so gogo isidliso njengoba usikhipha ziza ngama type noma C1 esicondile oziyahluka okuhluka ngomuntu mhlambe.
Ziza ngema type.
Usichazele gogo ama type lawo.
Idliso ukuthi kunedliso enjani. Kunedliso lomoya.
Okay.
Which is we use picture yakho.
Yeah.
And then sizofuna nejuba ke lapho ke ulwimi lojuba.
Okay.
And then also kunedliso langaphansi. Kunedliso langaphansi uma nenza icansi.
Okay.
And then also kunedliso lokudla. Yeah, yiwo lamadlisa.
So aphephile gogo lezinto lezi akuna bumnyama la okwenzakalayo ngoba ngibuza ukukhuluma ngejuba ngene le juba lenzani gogo nifaka lesithombe kujubeni kwenzakalani lapho?
No siyalchisa.
Yeah.
Sichisa nje lo mlomo walejubha then ngihlanganise nale umuthi. Then sifuna lesithombe via 12 o'clock. Via 12 o'clock ngiyakunikeza uma emnyango. You need to be naked. You stand in front of your door 12 o'clock midnight, switch the light, uthathe isithombe usibeke kanjeno. Uthathe lelo umuthi engikunikezile ufake lana then ukhulume yonke into then you uphephethe and then you go to sleep. And then uma alele lo muntu loya uyovuka ekseni uyohlanya ziyomporomo uzocabanga ngawe day and night noma ngabe unabani uzombona uzobuya gijima ngathi ugijimiswa ngemaphut dog ngapha.
Gogo yakubulala. Gogo so ngiyashisa mina la ebusuku
Yeah.
kusasa lo muntu wami uyafika lo akunandaba ukuthi unobani or whatever
No.
and then lesi esokufaka ekudleni ukuhamba kanjani lapho
Leso kufaka ekudleni ngiyakunikeza umuthi. So but into siyibonile thina isangoma ukuthi more special abantu amadoda agcina gule abanema TB whatsoever yenziwa yini lento ukufaka inwele uma utshela umuntu ukuthi remove inwele zakho whatsoever remove inwele izezi inkinga zifika ziblock la azihambi so we put insila yelimi insila yezandla naphasi kwemanyawo so then angapha private part you need to thatha lensila and then nomchamo lo wasekugcina wasekuseni uthi ntho then you mix it ufake ekudleni you must make sure that your husband must finish that food ngoba uma ngaqedi lokudla umfakelile ekudleni angeke kusebenze so you must stay and watch ukuthi lo muntu uyaqeda na to avoid that you just need to put ukudla okuncane umnikeze then uzophinda futhi ukudla but it's fine noma ngabe untombazana yini ungadla naye kuwa ngeke kusebenze because uzobe usebenzisa ezakhe izinto uma athi buya sidle baby don't hesitate or refuse just go and eat well you know ukuthi lehlo leli libheke yini then okwakho umshado usiyayakha sidini ungena siphuma siyakha na vele ngimanazi ngisithanda kabi ngoba vele
and then lesa sempedeni ke gogo sona sisebenza kanjani
oza sempedeni gogo siyahlanganisa sihlanganise most of idliso inhliziyo bathi yini bayibiza ukuthi yini le bathi it's a sheep or a slab or yini what is this a sheep yini lembuzi le inamavu imvu yeah yiso esiyithanda kakhulu imvu all right na iyangena laphana nezinye izinto bomabopha nezibambelelo whatsoever I'm not going to say much because bangasuka
sakho yeah
so then we mix it and then we make sure ukuthi sihlanganisa namanye amafutha right kakhulu ukuthi bangabe affected abantu yini uyabona into ezifana le and then siyakunikeza uma sokunikeza then kwamele uma seniyolala embhedeni le ndoda le you must make sure akasebenzisi a protection you must make sure because uma sebenzisa protection is not gonna work then uma lele you must make sure you switch off the light and then uzothatha lo muthi ukunikeze wona uthi kancane utshopoloze kancane njengamafutha then uapply on your private part the more alala amagazi ahlangana kanje isukile zilima ziyechi he will never ever leave you and he will never ever sleep outside he will never ever feel anyone outside he will just bega you ngqo
gogo ayeza amadoda azofuna idliso ku
too much angisho ziyasebenza nasemadodeni ayeza
amadoda
yes
smakade
yes gogo ayeza
gogo angifuni ukungasho ne to be quite honest abafazi mhlawumbe ngizokuexplain ngami mina ngomXhosa ngiyazi ukuthi ngesikithi kune ritual eyenziwayo uma umuntu ashada bathi udliswa utsiki and normally lelo nyama oyidlayo from kudala kuba nento ethelwayo lapho umuthi of some type ukuthi uhlale emzini so ukudla kwase there's always something yayenziwa kudala so isidliso into ehlezi khona but manje I think thina sesine access yayo too much but also abantu abesifazane balimele kakhulu bakhathele hey sikhathele uyabona uma ungana BBL usenkingeni
hey I'm telling you
usenkingeni
enkulu kakhulu kabi akasakubona amabhotha
gogo bakhona abazayo kuwe abahlushwa amadoda wabo adlisiwe khona indlela mhlawumbe basiza ngayo
yebo gogo
salazi gogo
yebo abakhona abafikayo thola ukuthi indoda yakhe idlisiwe outside what so most of the time yabona uthola ukuthi indoda yaza ngisho ngoba kuze wena umfazi so sinokuthi senze kanjena let's take maybe uyaphuza utshwala
okay
maybe yaphuza utshwala simtshela isho ukuthi must buy maybe uthenga ifavorite yakhe wenze ngathi uyaphuza naye whatsoever and then you need ukufaka isidli lo muthi lo ke phakathi lapha etshwaleni then izokwazi ukwehla lento lena yiyo bathi imboriso ishichangana shakayina iri imboriso
Okay.
into ebulala yonke into ephakathi kuloyo muntu so sometimes you need to make a plan njengomfazi ukuthi wena uma sukunikeza umuthi uzomdlisa kanjani ukuthi akwazi ukuyidla lento izoyenzani izomgijimisa emise toilet nawe and then or ayochama ukufa kwayo lento phakathi
Iyafa. Kuyaqhaqhekisa ubopho naloyo muntu
yeah
loyo.
but kuba nzima uma anedliso langaphansi
Hayi gogo.
lelo ke alisuki it's very difficult uma umuntu wakho adlisiwile ngomunye umfazi ledliso langapha or maybe some of sangomas they know how to treat
But in your experience, you know ukuthi it's not easy.
it's not easy and I don't know ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani because into esegazini
Gogo, so if ngibukele manje ngiyajola noJabu into zethu bize right but all of a sudden ngibona ama changes umuntu wami if udlisiwe mhlawumbe une cherry eceleni ngimbona kanjani umuntu wami ukuthi udlisiwe noba ubhuti wami ukuthi udlisiwe or ubaba wami udlisiwe mapha ama signs lawo wena as umuntu osebenza ngalezi zinto owaziyo ukuthi no lo hamba isidliso la
let's say maybe umuntu yazi uyajo umuntu wakhe you mean uma umuntu wakhe
edlisiwe umuntu odlisiwe ama signs owabonayo kuye mhlawumbe endlini siyabona ubaba ya kunoshintsho so how do you identify that khona la
ama changes uyambona nje umuntu ukuthi lo umuntu wakho mase vele seyaganga uyambona nje noma ungezanga umthole somewhere uyambona ukuthi lo hayi so uyaganga manje ngezenzo zokuthi uzokutreat ngeke asakutreat ukufana maybe angasabuye endlini abuye ngezikhathi alale ngaphandle ama changes maningi then lento leyo izokuhlupha ngoba kuzohlala kunemsindo kuphi endlini uyayibona izokuhlupha so then the only way to find out ufuna kuba 100% to consult to go and say traditional healer or a prophet or someone sebenza ngomoya to check ukuthi lo muntu lona impela wenzani then uma soyithola bazokutshela khona ukuthi just uyajola kanjena uvuba umnandi ngaphandle kusho ukuthi maybe lapha endlini wena usam treat right or yini or idliso leli ekumele udilane nalo and it's very difficult it's very difficult uma umuntu wakadlisiwile ngaphandle
yo
very very difficult
ulala nomuntu namhlanje kusasa avuke angasakufuni
ayisilwane
and baba nesandla baba nodlame
phela uma umuntu adliselwe ngaphandle uma kufaka udliso lapha ukwazi ukuthi udlisa umuntu anomfazi utokhuluma ukuthi makamnyenye lo mfazi ambheke yini which is a very wrong thing it's a very
so
wrong.
gogo wena umuntu momnikeza uyambuza ukuthi lo muntu
ushadile na
okay
yes
okay
and sizoconsult uma ngashadanga maybe ngizomnikeza maybe abobheka mina ngedwa
Alright.
whatsoever to avoid idliso because I know ukuthi idliso at the end of the day izomfaka kuphi I understand and then si check ukuthi noma ngashadanga but anganamuntu ngaphandle that's fine but uma uyomthola emuntwini then umthatha emuntwini kuzoba inkinga into efana leyo
hayi gogo ujule kakhulu gogo asimove ke singene kwisichitho
okay
abantu banenkinga yezichitho and abazi abanye babo abazi ukuthi usizo bayithola kanjani ngiyabona uyabalekelela ngama reach outs but ngicela sicale esichithweni umuntu onesichitho uma mhlawumbe kunomuntu obukelile uthini kuye abone ngani ukuthi there's something cause ichitho nazo asifani but ngicela usichasisele gogo ngalokho
umuntu kunesichitho sensila se-toilet basebenzisa most isithombe sakho
my god
or igama nesibongo the goal in a forest uma afika lena umuntu uzoyenza yini abeke lo muthi abamnikezile la uthola khona afika abeke isithombe phansi afake lo muthi bese ayenzani ayenza insila yakhe asithuma yenza itoilet bazokunikeza istick invuku ukuthi uma uqedile ukusikhulula shaya lensila le ngale mvuku le then you go back don't look you go home don't look back and then ukwazi ukuthi lo muntu umenzele lapha inkinga so kube futhi kunesichitho sesiqoqo a frog which is uzophuma ama pimples all over your face and also kuze futhi kuba nesichitho senja basebenzisa ubulongo benja which is basebenzisa nema black wool bawasebenzise bawabophe bathola there is lo tshani lo kune utshani liqinile yabona le grass
Yeah,
le.
lobo
Lobuqinile.
obudabulana nezandla. Yeah.
So kunalobo ke basebenzisa zona lezi zinto bahlanganise nemithi yakhona which is nakhona also uma baqeda ukwenza isicitho bazofaka etoilet. So it's different. Then uma unesicitho sensila setoilet uzoba nephunga elingapheli. Wona ungasi iphunga la setoilet but it smell which is you cannot even fight it with ama roll on or a body spray, lotion and a powder. Angeke size siphele. You will go up and down, you will bath 12 times per day singapheli. Then people will hate you. And then abantu bazokuzonda bangakufuni nokukubona imisebenzi izophela ama relationship azohlakala angeke usaphupha nokuphupha imali uma uyiphethile kuguquka kuba nezinkinga eziningi ukhohlwe ngema plans wakho ngeke kuhambe lutho ngempilo yakho ngeke vele ukuhambe lutho ngoba bakwenzele isicitho sinzima gogo Nkosi yami labo Olive
Libolile.
Olive
Umuntu gogo uyakwazi ukuthi akufakele isichitho noma angakwazi or noma mhlawumbe efuze kube umuntu enzalana naye or akunandaba ukuthi ubani as long umuntu athola isithombe sakho nje ayiyenze lento le
noma ubani
yo
noma umuntu ase Cape Town mina ngihlala la eJozi
maka
kufuna uzokuthola uma kunesithombe sakho that's why bayenze kahle ukuthi sifakela ku Facebook bathi ama logo what pictures ngoba siyowaloka ama pictures
yazi ngoba umuntu ya screenshot gogo
cause manje screenshot ambe internet cafe afika khipha isithombe sakho Zimporomo
ma internet cafe kaniqapheleni umuntu oprint isithombe nimbuzeni gogo inzima so umuntu makaza kuwe ke aqakekile ngale ndlela uyakhona ukuthi umsize futhi akwazi nokuthi azivikele ukuthi lo muntu noma aphinda akungenzeki lutho
uyasizakala gogo so uma anesicitho yakwazi ukwenza bo back to the sender
okay
cause isicitho noma usikhipha asihambi nje emoyeni kwamele uma usikhipha usho ukuthi ngifuna sibuyele kumnikati ngoba isicitho into eyakhiwayo then uma sibuyelile kumnikati siyosebenza the way yena asilethe kuwe ngakhona and uyohlala naso akukho isangoma esizomsiza ukumsiza kwaye ukuthatha leso sicitho asindlilisele komunye umuntu isicitho sinzima ungazi usiqale uqala uzoyimela uphinze ube usithembile ngoba uma lo muntu azisusa ngapha kuyoba isivunguvungu kuyoba isivunguvungu
so kuyadliwa nje gogo
kuyaliwa and more special sithanda ngebafazi balwela indoda amadoda Nkosi yami
wena Adam
izinja uNkulunkulu angibathuki
mabangakwazi ukuqonda I think umuntu esisa mangakwazi ukuqonda kungayehlisa lo lempi lezi ezenzakala ngoba abafazi nje abathandani gogo uthanda lukho simonena nangento engekho umuntu uhlala phansi uyazibuza ukuthi hayibo lo muntu kwenzakalani gogo so kunama ritual lawo engwabonile wakho awamaqanda ngifuna ukuthinta lapho ukuthi okay umuntu afuna ukuyenza lama ritual yini ngisuke ngifuna ukuvula inhlanhla ngilungisa impilo yami kwenzakalani nama eggshell and all of that
there's eggshell and sea salt iyo ke ritual le ngiqale nje kwazeka kabo TikTok and social media it was 2022 ngayo ke eggshell and sea salt very powerful iyavula ivula imisebenzi
uyenza kanjani gogo uma ufuna
kwamele ube lama eggshell then wagcobe and also 5 stone of sea salt nayo uyigcobe then you mix it and then you bath and then after bathing you're gonna put it on your body lotion but you need uma ugeza kwamele ukhulume ukuthi ngifuna yini nani abafuna imisebenzi abafuna inhlanhla abafuna ukuvula indlela zabo ama businesses abafuna ukuphumelela empilweni ngoba yona iyasiza too much kwamele nje usebenzise yona leyo ke
so ufaka lama shell netswayi ekulotion or uthatha amanzi labo ogeza ngawo
no ishell notswayi angithi uzobe igadlile then izoba isoft uzobe isoft then uzothatha le powder ufake yona phakathi lapha kule lotion yakho
and then kuyakhanya
kuyakhanya
izinto ziyas Wena uyangichaza gogo ngoba wena ulwisana nobumnyama. Awuzani nento ezingekho
Angizwani
right.
nabo buthakathi
Awuzani nento ezi right. Gogo suke wambamba umthakathi mhlawumbe. Wambona ejardini or
No, angisekambambi like straight
Yeah.
but ukuqubula maybe kunezinto ezikhona whatsoever ngiyakwazi ukubamba nangokufemba uyabona
Yeah.
into esifana lezo the way ngiyenza ngakhona. So but bayasha abantu uma ubalungiselile imizi ukuthi gogo kunomuntu uyaconfess uyakhuluma into nento nabo bakwazi ukubona yini ngoba uma usebenzela umuntu kumele abone ukuthi into omsebenzele yona
Yeah.
iyakhanya.
Yeah. Hey gogo so uyafemba nokufemba umsebenzi loyo ujulile kakhulu.
Much.
Uyaphuma uyemazweni ebantwini yobafembela
Thokoza.
ileyo process ihamba kanjani uma abantu mhlambe befisa ukuthola bafuna ukuthi uzobasiza ngokufemba.
Uma ufuna ukusiza ngafemba uyeza uzoconsulta kuqala because you amathamba azoconfirma ukuthi lo muzi lo ufuna ukufembwa.
Okay.
Because kuna izilwane most of the thing most especially let's take umuntu une spiritual husband.
Okay.
Most of the thing ama spiritual husband suka kule idlozi most especially umndawo elikhona lapha ekhaya ezinye izinto spiritual husband into abakufake yona. So we need to have a conclusion because namhlanje ngagezisa usithole sikhona futhi uye kusangoma lesugezisa soloko siyabuya thola ukuthi ile dlozi labulalwa phakathi ekhaya ngabokhokho bethu lifuna indlela yalo ukuthi nilenzele liguquka liba yisilwane kuphi phakathi ekhayeni. So ukufemba yiko ukuconfirmayo ukhulume nalesilwane qobo or ukhulume nalelo dlozi ngqo likwazi ukuchazela ukuthi uma ufuna ngenze kanje yenza kanje. So noma sibethela imizi kunezinye izilwane ngeza nemithi yami hey ngifike ngibethele kanti ngiloko ngiyazivalela leso silwane phakathi emagulubeni singasakwazi ukuphuma. So kungqono umuntu uma umbethelela umuzi akwazi ukuthi ngithakatha ngubani wakabani ulethe lesilwane lakhaya indaba uyayibona naso sisho ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani.
So mawufemba kuphuma ama detail ukuthi ubani lo ngenze kanje
kuphuma nemagama yabo naye yaphuma umuntu umbone ukuthi lo uye baphume bonke.
Ufemba ngamalini?
Ukufemba is 2.5.
Hey gogo sike sezintithu sa abantu bafemba ngama 10,000 wena usese
Akushuthi
Yeah.
ngeke ngiphakamisa
hayi kumele uthi nje ukhuphula ama socks gogo waphakamise
ukuthi ngijwayele ngale makhaya ebush bayenza bo 1000 1.5 so shothi ngikisajwayele lapho ke.
umuthi wemali ukhona gogo
Umuthi wemali isithwalo.
uyaskip isithwalo
Ithwalo mina uma ngisingenza isithwalo nginoku ayikuthi siphuma phakathi kimi endumbeni.
okay
Asiphumi kimi endumbeni. I don't know how to do it. But lo muntu engisebenzisa naye is from Malawi.
okay
He's from Malawi. Uma kwenza let's take ngine client either uza kimi or either ngithatha yini le client ngilihambise ngilise kuphi eMalawi. So ithwalo mina engizaziyo ilezi ezincane. Ilezi ezincane.
into encane into enjani gogo hayi ungadlali ngathi into encane into enjani bekuthi umuhle kanjani uthi le nto encane yona le into encane into enjani gogo
Into lezi ezifana kune isithwalo sorry kunesithwalo kunesithwalo lesi
ngathi yasida lenta ningahleki
kunesithwalo lesi esirentiwayo yabona yilesi ebangifundise sona kancane ngiba
Okay.
nolwazi
urenta kanjani gogo
uyasirenta gogo every month uphelekeza 15,000 kulomuntu akwenzelile but wena kuleso sithwalo uyakwazi ukuthola any amount you want oyifunayo but kule 15,000 whether let's take maybe you charge $1 million uthe ngifuna $1,000,000 let's take maybe ngifuna bo 50,000 whatsoever but remember uma ufuna imali eningi naso siyofuna okuningi it depend awusuku nje uzothatha isithwalo uthi ngizofuna $1,000,000 naso sizofuna $1,000,000 of sacrifices.
gogo so manje every month ngiyarenta ngathi ngibhadala
Yeah uzokhipha i15,000 but sizokunikeza because i15,000 will be nothing to you.
so sini siyigona lesalo
No
hayi
it's not a gone akusiyigona into ephilayo
hayi Ihlala kuphi?
Siyayivumbula ihlale eroomini. You need to have a room nje right space.
Ikhipha imali lento leyo lapho.
Yeah, sikunikeza
Gogo iqiniso lento le.
It's true.
Iyayikhipha le mali yama notes.
It's true.
Hayi gogo kumele
Into
usize
eziqala uma
endlini.
uza, you don't pay.
Okay.
We don't need your money first of all uma uzolanda isithwalo. We
Okay.
don't need your money. Uyeza ulanda isithwalo, uma usilandile isithwalo, sikwenzela imali. First uma sisikwenzela imali, awuyidli nje. I mean, awuyidli uyithathe unikeza abantu.
Okay.
Uzoyifaka ebanki, uma uyifakile ebanki, then le landelayo ke hiyo le uzoyidla uyinikeza abantu. But you must give people, kwamele uthanda ukunikeza abantu leyo mali, uthanda ukunikeza abantu. The more
So nisiphi imali ethwalo lapha estradini?
no, but
Loko nithi giving back
but
to
mina,
the
I don't
community.
do that.
But why mele le mali iphume gogo? Because iba yiningi na. Like mayigcwele lapha kulelo room lelo.
You need to give people now. You need to give people.
Hayi man. The net is not netting here. But because it's not netting, I wonder. So when a gogo awuzikhipha ithwalo but kunomuntu omconnectayo.
Yeah, but lezi mina
Yeah.
ngisazezo yi2, but lezi ezinye ithwale eziningi. Uma let's take umuntu athi ngifuna isithwalo se-twin lami.
Okay.
Because kunase-twin abasithanda kakhulu. Because namhlanje lese-twin sithanda ukulala. Sithanda nje ivakuvaku. Sithanda nje iqansi. So lese-twin I can be me today.
Yeah.
And then uma sesifuna ukusacrifice akuphumi mina endlini mina I'm going to stay in the house then uphume mina lo munye mina outside.
Gogo. Angizwanga kahle. Ngathi kunomoya la. Mina ngisele endlini.
Yes.
Mangisacrifice angisho ngibambile. Ngilethe intomatana la endlini. O kwenzakalani?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ngilethe umuntu.
Yeah.
And then makuphuma endlini akusaphumi mina. Phuma le twin lam.
Yebo.
So as long kunevakuvaku nje.
No. Let's say maybe you want to go outside having fun whatsoever.
Yeah.
You know that when I go there is a target. So then when you go there, you will sleep maybe more than 5, 6, 7 girls whatsoever. It is not you. It is not you. When I was selling endlini, bukela TV udla ama keep in my popcorn and watching horror movie. So nasesebenza outside. So siyachintshana namhlanje uzophuma wena uphume but sisebenzisa yini your vision. But remember uma silala nalowo muntu loyo ke usacrifice ngomntwana abantu.
Kwenzakalani ngalomntana abantu mangisacrifice ngayo?
Inhlanhla ziyahamba zonke ziyakhuluka. She will suffer like nobody's business.
Usazozithola back.
Oh yini ba.
Makangaye enyangeni.
Uma yekonyanga is strong.
Makeze kuwe so.
Yeah.
But nje uzoxakeka.
Uzoxakeka.
Oh.
So that's why mina I don't need ithwale esifana lezo ngifila ngathi somehow. So but umuntu uma azothatha into le yena azojongana nayo ngqo. I think it's very good because uyazenzela i-decision.
And isivumelane lesi saso lesithalo uyakwazi ukusibreaka or is it forever?
No, you can't, my darling. You can't. Because siyoba sikwakhelile, soba sikwenzile yonke into, then uma sihamba sithatha okukwaso. Sihambe so when you must know that you will suffer. You will suffer. So kunalesi edlozi. Lesi sokuthwala ngedloti lezi uzwa abantu bathi sithwale ngedlozi which is they can even use this group that one.
Okay.
They can even use so but bayenza kanje uma bathwala ngedlozi. Bahamba balanda amadlozi wakini wonke. Kuthwala ngemadlozi wakini vele. Uthatha lamadlozi wakini wonke. Ukwazi ukuthi laba balapha ekhaya bayohlupheka bonke whether it's your mother, whether it's your father, it's your brother what angeke asebenze. Akunamuntu azosebenza ekhaya. Akunamuntu azoba nemali. Akunamuntu azoshada. Akunamuntu azoba nento enhle. They can even sleep outside banganayindlo basogola banganalutho. Well when uhlale emalini and you don't have a right to help them. Awubanikeza imali, you don't have to give them a cent, you don't have to give them nothing. You must watch them suffering until at the end because when you have took everything idlozi lonke leza kuwe wena abantu okumele basize outside you need to give them money abangani bakho but your family must suffer.
Lento ikhuluma gogo it makes sense because kunabantu otholayo ukuthi mhlawumbe uzobathi emndenini kanje uzibani unemali and then loyo muntu loyo umndeni wakho uyahlupheka but akhonza abantu bangaphandle more than umndeni
akazenzi lesi
manje ukukhohlakala moslo
too much. You cannot do that. Your mother is suffering. Ufuna ama hospital bills whatsoever uyagula ngapha. You don't have to help. Kwamele balale nendlala bedle upapa nemanzi. Kwamele balale nendlala wena imali zigcwala indlonda. Imali uzoyithola uphenze uyithole the way ufuna ngakho hamba ngamaLamborghini.
Hey, gogo la emhlabeni mara kwenzakalani?
Uyayizwa gogo?
No, kuningi okwenzakalayo.
Kuningi.
Ifilimu. Gogo, ujulile kakhulu emsebenzini wakho and ngiyathanda how the way indlela expressa ngakhona because we are still young and we relate to you and siyakwazi ukuthi in the midst of the seriousness sibe sihleka and then gogo la ku TikTok ngiyabona uyabasiza abantu kuma live and all of that bayabuya kuye bazobonga basho ukuthi hey siyabonga gogo bayabuya ne
too much
and emuhle umsebenzi owenzayo gogo I feel ukuthi ungachubekela uye phambili before sivala inkulumo yethu i-question yami yokugcina gogo bengene ngibuze ekuqaleni base ngizokubuza manje akusena ndaba umuntu makaze kuwazothwasa kunezinto ozibonayo ukuthi lo ngempela uyisangoma onoma wena uvele nje uthathe nje abantu wathwasise
umuntu ma azothwasa we consult we consult abanye bayazela bathi sukuphuphila ke so but abanye abantu phela basuka baba nemafufunyana ke so we consult uma siconsultile and sithola ukuthi unabo ubunyanga lo muntu lona unalo bizo siza ku stage 2 siyafemba
all right
yiyo confirmation yethu uma sifemba la sifuna laba abakuphethe eqobo lwabo kunyibo bazokhuluma ba explain ukuthi umsebenzi uhamba kanjani yebo ibizo likhona yibo kumele senze this and that. So then uma sesicedile ukufemba hila sesicala khona nami umsebenzi wokuthi sithwasiseke asisuke sukungenise kanje because abanye basuka banezilwane so then sithwasisa lezilwane at the end of the day vele umuntu usogola toti so
and then lama list amakhulu gogo la abogobela bawathumela emakhaya makuzothwaswa uyalandela lezo zinto lezo na
gogo ungayisho hey
uthengile uphuzela ibhile edlozi eliphuziye kamanje
gogo bafuna 80 bathi 48 yema case black label ithwasana lithengela njani ugobele iPhone
hayi
bayabhala nema iPhone kuma list awuyibonanga babhala iPhone ugobele ufuna bathi yini lezi zinto ezigcokwayo lezi amaGucci
hayi
nema plasma TV plus ngithi ngiyacala no Eva Puffy movie game ifilimi fiyakwa
apha ama popcorns makade
hey kufunwa amalokozana athi ufuna nenkomo ezimbili inkomo iyaphuphwa awukwazi ukusuka ungigobela uthuthwasana malithenga inkomo ikuthwasa kumele liyiphuphe lona lisho ukuthi ngiphupha inkomo futhi enje uma ngiphelekezwa kepha bona ugobela uzozathi ngifuna inkomo ufuna indumezulu ayoduma ngawe kule village akuphelekeza kuyo oduma ngawe ukuthi lokho umsebenzi nokubonela azotshela labanye abagobela sabachomela nale 48 ema case thina size kuzogida bazozinikeza ibhodle leli1
ayapha ayophuza amadlozi wakhe
bavalele endumbeni uma uhamba basala bakhipha imusic ingoma baqashe no DJ emela ngaphandle azo DJya hey kuzoshaywa isofa zorikatla kushaywa ama get down for what for eSouth Africa Nkosi yami
mina bengazi nokuthi kunama list ngena nama iPhone mos nama Gucci abagobela baphila kamnandi mos
bakhona abagobela kufunwa ama iPhone kufunwa
nama frontal
zingena kuphi impahla nema frontal ne makeup artist kumele ize uma uzophelekeza emgidweni how do we do that why sikhohlwakele thina abagobela Nkosi yami sikhohlwakele
ngoba umuntu makeza kusuka cakekile gogo
Nkosi yami
so manje abantu basale ikweledini
bafuna ubaqashele nemoto abafuni le yakhe uma nemoto
ufuna Viano
yes Viano futhi uma nisaka sananhliziyo yami kwamele avela akhulume ukuthi ngifuna nebhanoyi indizi ithi izohlala la izomthatha
Gogo, into eyenzakalayo manje akusenaqiniso.
Never.
Sekudlalwa ngabantu
Alisekho
kakhulu.
iqiniso.
And kubhlungu ngoba abazali bethu labekudlalwa ngabo. Gogo kubhlungu la ngaphandle.
Asibuyeleni emandulo.
Qinisile.
Asibuyeleni Nkosi yami isicelo sami sibuyeleni emandulo. Ithwasa malifika endlini likhumule kuhamba ngemanyawo nathi abogobela sibuyele emandulo. Sisebenza umsebenzi wakudala wasemandulo. Asibuyeleni Nkosi yami. Lento seyenzakalayo manje lana ubungoma bulahlekile.
Yeah.
But thina sikwaziyo gogo ukuthi phakathi kwethu siyalithanda ubizo lethu, we can do it and then we can make it ukuthi abantu baphinze babelivele ebungomeni bethu ngoba lento ekhona manje ayisaseyibo ubungoma sesiyahlala nje sesibheke sithi we
Namathambo athengisayo kuningi gogo.
kuningi mntasekhaya
Kuningi. Saluka Sam.
Thokoza.
Abantu babakufuna bakutholakala kuphi? Ngicela ukhulume necamera yakho le. Khulume nawe.
Thokozani Makhehla. Lana mina ngitholakala khona, ngiyatholakala ku-TikTok. Ku-TikTok yimi uNdlovu 42 or usearch uthi Mkhulu Dabulamanzi insizwa yakaSilindawo uzongithola lapho ke. Ku-Facebook yimi uFani Siyabonga Ndlovu. My Facebook ine blue tick. Ningaweli kuma scam. And also and my
Awukho ku-Instagram?
khona ku-Instagram can check also Fani Ndlovu or Dabulamanzi zakaSilindawo. Thokozani kakhulu.
Amanamba wakho gogo?
Oh, amanamba wami athi 07 67 15 61 72. Iyo ke inamba yami la ngitholakala khona lapho ke. Thokozani kakhulu. Nginthanda kakhulu.
Gogo, before sihlukana ngizwile indaba ezimnandi ubusy. Umatasatasa ngakudala sobe sikubheke ngelihle libabayo. Congratulations on that gogo. I hope uzosirepresenta kahle.
Thokoza gogo.
And kungabi isicalo lesi siqhubeke sikubone kumabona kude wethu. Kwande ngaphezulu kwakho nasedlozini. Ngibonge kakhulu gogo.
Thokoza kakhulu.
Viewers at home, this was another episode of Thokoza Gogo podcast, and I hope you enjoyed it and are going to continue to come and watch this all over again. Please do not forget to watch the ads. But my parting message is that, remember, we are in the school of Harry Potter. You need to choose whether you're with Gryffindor or Slytherin. And most people end up being Slytherin because they want the easier way. But while there's still true healers who are advocating for healing, masibalekele ekuphileni sibuyele emandulo, because that is where sizothola khona iqiniso lethu. Ngibonga kakhulu to you, to our guests, to the team and everyone that is here for today's episode. I enjoyed myself and definitely learned a thing or two. Note of these things esikhulume ngazo, particularly izinto zesidliso and anything of that matter oyitholile ekshayile wathi yazini gogo le ikhuluma nami. Xhumana nogogo uzwe ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yakho. Nani bobhuti lapha emakhaya nike nizibheke ngoba uthi uyadla bathi baby this dinner is for you. Kanti this is the last supper. Uyacabuza uJudas. So watch out and look out for yourselves, but know that love is a beautiful thing. But nani ningahlukumezi to the point of manje sengiyahamba ngiyothola izinto. Umuntu momenza into, think about it. Am I still seeing myself with this person after the next 5 years or 10 years? Ungayenzi umuntu because uyamlaya. Menze because uyamthanda ukuthi nihlale nakhe umuzi. Because at the end of the day, isidlizo sasenzele lokho ukuthi uzokhulisa umuzi kababa. Hayike bathandekayo niyizwile ke ifilimu namhlanje ngizonibona mina same time same place on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, wherever, and when you see me uthi thokoza. Bye. Kindly note that the Love, Life and Grief seminar has been moved to the 3rd of May 2025. Tickets are still available at $950 per person. This is an intimate spiritual event centered around grief and healing. So come ready for an experience of a lifetime. Reserve your seat on 079-816-0199 and looking forward to seeing you soon.